Well, you can get paid $14 per hour to tutor students online to earn money online. Yes, this video is really for people who want to teach people's online. So right now this opportunity is very good, but it's limited for some people's. Not everyone can join it, but there is some requirements. But really I think this is some those people's who meet these requirements are really good for them, good fit for them, and they can earn a very good amount of money every month if they are in a positions where they need money or jobs right now. So this video is only for them. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the site that is going to provide this opportunity for peoples that can earn money by just tutoring students online. This is a work at home opportunity and you can earn a decent amount of money online. So the site is called brainfuse.com. Yes, home.brainfuse.com. So if you go over to brainfuse.com, it will show this page. This is online tutoring and so much more. So this is a really cool way if people's all around the world, kids like people's students, universities students, school students, college students, or any genre, any age, any persons, any kids out there need some educations right now, and they, because of the pandemic, many things are not like easy right now. So this online tutoring is a really booming right now. So simply just go on and you can just learn and teach peoples, by which you just doing good cause for these worlds, and you can just teaching kids and then making their life better for the future and building them as well. So if they go to schools, but if you just want to help in getting more work home from home and just getting more skills about their subjects, if you and you are just a master degree holder or a graduate holder of that subject, you can teach those to those students, and those students really going to thank you for that. And it's really awesome way to earn money online. But the only requirement is if you have some like teaching experience like schools, college, or anything like that, or if you are retired persons from any educational institute, you can just move on and join and work from home by using brainfuse.com. So simply, if you are living and the second requirement is you just need to be on US or Canada, and they are like right now accepting peoples from these two countries. So this is all it is. So simply just go on to their job seeker page, you click on job seekers, you can see that this page will load and briefly explains you how all this works. And simply, if you're just interested to work with them, you simply contact them by clicking contact us. You just fill this simple contact us form, and you just notify your email and phone and institutions, and just simply send your letter and hit send, and that way you are good to go to apply to as a tutor on brainfuse.com, and simply go on and work as a online tutor on that, and they will simply review your applications. And it's also, if you just want to send your resume to them, you can just go on and you can see that their email is info@brainfuse.com, and also they have another email which is jobs@brainfuse.com. So jobs@brainfuse.com is also their email. You just send your resume to both of this email and they will get your resume. But this is the contact us page. Simply express your opinion, express your applications in through this contact form, and they will be informed and they will contact you back, and they will analyze your applications, and if you meet their qualifications, they will simply send you email and contact you by phone, and they will love to hire you as an online tutor, and you can earn like $14 per hour working with them. So this is really awesome way you can make thousands of dollars easily by doing this. But this is not for everyone in the world, only for USA and Canada citizens, and also you have to have some teaching experience. But simply peoples who need money, who need jobs right now, but have some disqualifications right now and looking for work, they can definitely knock it here and simply go out and apply as an online tutor and earn a decent amount of money online. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest earn money online methods on Money Horn. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.